it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing the second part of my blush drawer declutter. I'm showing you what's in my collection. This is part 2 because I had 2 trays to go through and I didn't want long videos. So I'm going to be going over this with you, clearing it out, showing you what's in here, and kind of showing you what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep, what I'm going to donate and what I'm going to throw away. Because in this drawer, there's a couple of things that are going to have to be thrown away. So let's get started. All right, so I'm just going to put everything that I'm going to donate over here. Anything I need to trash, I'll just put up here out of the way, and we'll go from there. So let's start at the back and go from there. Okay, I have 2 blushes that are, one is Wine with Everything and one is Blushing Berry. These are the Revlon Matte. Guys, these used to be my favorite blushes. Can you tell? I used to wear these all the time. They're really, really old. I know that I'm not going to use them because I have, you know, plenty to choose from. So I probably just need to chunk these. And I hate that. You know, it's sort of sentimental and it's always awesome to see where you hit pan on products and that sort of thing. But I know that I'll never use these. They're going into the trash. Okay, I do have 2 e.l.f. contouring and bronzing powder, contouring blush and bronzing powders from e.l.f. So these are sort of like, I guess you could say they were along the lines of what NARS did. So these are in the color, let's see, this is Turks and Caicos. So it's just a really pretty pale blush and bronzer. They are very shimmery, very, very shimmery. The only thing that I can see with this one is this right here has been swatched, like you can tell a finger went across it, but this has not been touched. I am not going to keep this because I've grown out of the sparkly blush, and I do like a blush with a little more color than this, and I got a feeling my mom would probably like this. So I am going to take this and put it over in the donate / friends and family section. And then this one is the same thing. It's just dirty and it is in the color St. Lucia. So this is basically the same thing. Okay, so this, even though it is a different color, it looks the same. It just looks maybe lighter. This has been, they've both been swatched, and that's all. Since I'm gonna let Mom see if she wants this one over here, I may let her choose between the 2. Maybe we can swatch them on her and see which one she likes the best, and whichever one she wants to keep, I'll get rid of the other. So yeah, I'm just not into these anymore. I know I'm not going to use them, so I would rather either give them to somebody I know that they're going to use them. And e.l.f., I mean, these are really great quality products. I just know I'm not going to use them. Okay, this is the next one. I love Laura Geller baked products, and I'm not sure, but I heard a rumor that Laura Geller is no more, or that she is shutting things down. So if that's the case, oh god, man, I'd really hate it because I really loved her baked products. For the longest time, I only used her baked foundation. Yeah, loved it. So this is the baked blush in the color Maui. It's a very unusual color. It looks really dark in the pan, but it's actually not. It's a beautiful color. It does have a good sheen to it, but this is more of a fall color, I would think. I am going to hang on to this. This will last for forever, and I've not put a dent in it at all, but I need to do that. So I'm going to work on this one, so we're going to keep it. Okay, the next thing I have is Cindy Luminizer. This is the blush version of the Balm in the compact. This one is just Cindy Luminizer, also known as the Contour Artist. I'm not really sure if this is, sounds more like contour powder than it does. No, it is a peachy shimmery blush. Totally forgot about this, guys. Totally forgot about it. Oh my gosh, it's kind of powdery actually. Yeah, it's a blush. It's just a really, this is more of a blush topper. In fact, I probably would get more use out of it if I put it in my highlighter drawer, but my highlighter drawer is so full. Maybe after I, declutter, I'll have room and I can move it to that drawer, because this is really more of a highlight for me. It's so pretty. You can see the reflection there from the light. I really like it a lot. It's just a really pale peachy golden color, but I'm gonna hang on to that. Okay, I have these two. This is a blush pan from Makeup Geek in Romance. It has been swatched, and then I have an actual compact, and this is Covet. This is a gorgeous winter color, and I need to use this. I'm gonna keep it. It's only been swatched. I'm gonna get rid of the blush pan, because I know that somebody could probably put this in an existing palette if they wanted it. So I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna put that there, but I'm gonna keep this one. I don't have anything this color in the rest of my collection, I don't think, so let me go ahead and keep that right here. The next one I have is a favorite. This is my Cheek Pop from Clinique, and it is in the color Berry Pop. Guys, I've used this like crazy, but it goes and goes and goes, and I haven't even, I mean, I've not even put a dent in it. I mean, literally not even. I've got glitter all over me. I love this. I used it last summer. I used this every day. And it's really, you can see it's pretty strong, and it just doesn't take as much. You know, it's a beautiful thing. I would never get rid of it. I love it. Okay, this is part of that MAC collection from the holidays that you saw in the last part of my declutter, and this is just really pretty. I'm keeping it just because of the, you know, the collectability of it, I guess you could say. I absolutely love nutcrackers, and so this nutcracker collection spoke to me, but I've not done anything with it. I think this is beautiful. I don't know if I will ever use it, but I'm definitely going to keep it. I love it. Just enjoy having it. I think it's beautiful, and who knows, maybe one day I'll crack into it. I don't know, but it's not going anywhere, that's for sure. Not letting go of that one. Not at all. Not even close, guys. Okay, I do have a lot of cheap products from ColourPop, so let me pull all these out here and let's go over them one at a time and talk about them. Okay, this one is called Tasty. All of these are the Super Shock Cheek. This one's called Tasty. I have done a little bit of swatching on it, but as you can see, it's already dried out. It is, well, it's cracked, but it feels normal. Okay, so I was thinking I was gonna have to do away with it. I'm still not sure that I would ever use that. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's pretty, but I don't see myself using it. It's a beautiful color, but yeah. I needed to dip my finger in there just to see what the deal was, but yeah, I'm not gonna go with that one. I'll just pass that on to a friend. I have this one here. I've definitely dug into this. It is just really too dark for me. It's a little too on the red side for me, and I'm going to pass that one along. Let's see here. I do have this one. This is so similar to colors that I already have. It's not been touched. It does have a crack in it, so it's probably getting close to the end of its life. This is in Prenup. I know that this is a really popular color. A lot of people like it, but I'm going to pass it on because I do have this one, and to me it's really similar. So I'm just going to pass that one on. I think I'm also going to pass this one on. This is not shimmery, it's a matte, but it is a very, very orange. Way more orange than I ever thought. This is called Get Laid. I'm going to pass this one on too. It's just not a color that I find to be my taste anymore. Okay, then I have this one. This looks more like a highlighter to me, but it says Super Shock Cheek. This is Tease Cake. Wow, I don't think I've ever even touched this one, but it looks like a gorgeous highlighter to me. Ooh, and it's just, oh God, that's gorgeous. I've never even touched it. Oh gosh. It's got a duochrome. It's almost got a little bit of a pinky purple undertone. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I need to put that in my rotation. I really need to be using that. That's beautiful. Okay, let me get myself cleaned up here. Okay, now I have another one. This is very similar to the other one. This one is Birthday Suit. I know a lot of people talk about this one as well. It's just not, I mean, I can see that it's been swatched, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to keep this one either. I just have so many blushes, guys, and I really need to declutter. Okay, this one I am pretty sure I'm going to keep. This is called Boba, and it's gorgeous. I've never even touched it, but I'm going to right now so that I can feel of it. Oh God, it's so gorgeous. It is just a gorgeous reflective pink. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this and put some use to it. I'll figure out something, but I mean, if nothing else, I could use that on top of an eye look, and I think it'd be pretty. Okay, let's go into this one. I love these Milani baked blushes. This is Luminoso. It is a cult favorite. It is a favorite of mine. It is the original formula. It's not going anywhere. I will hoard this. It's not going anywhere. But then I have this one that is not opened yet. It is in Rose d'Oro, which is also a cult favorite. It's brand new, never touched, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to save it for those long hot days during summer and put some use to it. It's beautiful, and it's the original baked formula. They changed their formula, and I'm holding on to it. Absolutely. Okay, here we have the Physicians Formula. This is the Happy Bronzer. It is in, or Happy Booster. Happy Booster. I don't know why I said bronzer. Happy Booster Glow and Mood Boosting Blush in Natural. This is really pretty. It's never even been swatched. So I'm not gonna hold on to it. I'm gonna put it over there in the donate pile. Maybe a friend or family may want it. If not, then it'll get donated. It's really pretty. It does have the little brush inside that is red and pink, which is really cute. It's cute, but yeah, I'm gonna pass on this one and send it on to a new home. Okay, next thing I have is this mineral blush from e.l.f. I think we learned from my past videos that I don't like these loose powders. This one is called Peachy. It's just the e.l.f. mineral blush. I'm not going to hang on to this because I don't do loose products anymore. So we're going to put that one over there and not even think twice about it. Okay, I have some NARS products left. Let's go ahead and look at this one. This is, I never can pronounce this. This is, G-O-U-L-U-E, Julie, I don't know, it's NARS, and it's not even been touched. This is the same color that they put out for a birthday perk from Sephora, and that may be what one of these is. Yep, it is. It's this one right here. So I have the large one and the small one. It's beautiful. I just haven't broke into it. I wonder have I even touched this one. No, this one's not even been touched either. So I may end up keeping just one or putting one of these in my travel bag. But this is a great fall blush. So what I might do is put one in my vanity tray and the other one in my travel bag for the winter. And that'll be my winter blush. That might be what we do. I do have another mini. This one is called New York from NARS. And it is like nothing else I have. It is really a gorgeous color. I have used this, but I used it as a eyeshadow. It's just really, really pretty, but I can see this being a favorite during the winter too. It's just a really pretty, nearly wine color. Love it. Okay, and the last thing in my tray is my Too Faced Sweetheart's Perfect Flush Blush, and this one is in Something About Berry. This has always been a favorite. I have loved this. You can't tell it's been used, but it has been well loved. It's just that I have so many to choose from, I never do really hit pan anymore. So it's not going anywhere, but it's beautiful and it's prettier to me during the summer than any other time. So let's go ahead and put this stuff back together. I'm going to put this one in the back. Let me put these things in here and I'll be right back. Okay, that is what we are left with. I am chunking these, and then that means that all of these are now leaving my collection for a new home. I think that that'll be great. I think that I'll be able to find some people that really want these, or I'll donate them to a shelter. So if you add those to the ones that I decluttered from the first part of this video, this is what you get. So I have decluttered a good bit of blush in this series, and I'm really proud of myself for getting rid of it and moving on and not holding on to it. Sometimes we hold on to these things when we're not going to use them when we know it. So it is ridiculous that I have so many unopened, unused products, and they're just sitting there. Yeah, definitely need to get this out where other people can enjoy and they can go to a better home. So that's going to be it, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I believe that my next video in this series is I'm going to start tackling my highlighter drawer. That's going to be a major deal for me because that's my favorite product of all time. I love highlighters more than anything. If I'm able to get rid of any, it'll be a miracle. It really will be a surprise if I can get rid of any of them because I love them so much. I think I have backups of backups. But anyway, that's going to be it. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe on your way out. I would really appreciate it. I'd love to have you be part of my YouTube family. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this series so far. I hope that it's kind of fun to see what someone else has in their collection, and it's always I don't know, it feels good. It's sort of like you can breathe deeper when you know that you have gotten rid of things that you are definitely not going to use, and I really enjoy seeing what other people have in their collection. So yeah, that's going to be it. I hope you guys have a great day or week wherever you are, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.